Hi all, welcome to another video. I hope that you're all having a good day. Today I'm going to show you some keyboard shortcuts for spreadsheets. So to do this we're going to need some numbers. So I'm just going to type out that quick 1 to 7. Oh, right. Now I'm going to start showing you some of the keyboard formulas you can do to help you with your task. Maybe this will be financial. So, to begin with, we're going to look at some formulas. These formulas are fairly simple. They work mainly with addition, and they are great for high numbers. Obviously, I've got very low numbers, which are very easy to add up. So you can probably do this in your head. But for the purpose of this video, I've chosen some low numbers just because they're easier to type. So to begin, we're going to type equals, and now we're going to press the caps lock and type sum, open bracket, and we're going to press E1. And as you can see, the first cell on the D column is highlighted. Now we're going to press apostrophe, or comma, sorry, comma, and type the second cell, which will be D4, and close bracket. And if we press enter, that will turn into the number 5, which is 1 plus 4, and that'll be the sum formula. So the second formula I'm going to show you is average. This will take two numbers and give you the median average of it. So, like with sum, I'm going to press equals, type in average, open bracket, I'm going to do D2, that's an S, I'm going to have D2, comma, D5. Then I'm going to close bracket and enter. And it's done 5 divided by 2, which is irritant. It's found midpoint between 2 and 5, which is equal to 3.5. Because obviously 1.5 take away, sorry, 5 take away 1.5 is 3.5, and 2 plus 1.5 is 3.5. So that's the median average. I haven't experimented with mean or mode yet, but trust me, I will. So, the third and final formula I want to show you is max number count. So, I'm gonna type in equals. I'm gonna type number count, but I'm not gonna hold down N. as you can see, there are formulas popping up. In fact, you can come here to auto sum and there'll be a load here, and you can just go and count numbers. Don't know why it's not working for me. Count number, there it will be, and you can type in what D1 to whatever. For the purposes of this, I'm going to show you that you can do multiple. So I'm going to type in D1 to D2 to D3 to D4 to D5 to D6 to D7, close bracket. As you can see, they're all selected. I'm going to press enter. Alright, that's just made an error. Do you want to accept this correction? Oh, I've got a typo. Where's my typo? Ah, whatever. I've accepted it. Now I've got the number 7 there. And that's good because I've already got 7 numbers on that column. So, you know what? I'll give you 2 more formulas. So type equals, type min, open bracket, and we want 2 numbers. So I'm gonna go with D3 and D6. So type D3, comma, D6, compare, and close bracket, enter. And that has chosen the smallest number. And because we chose D3 and D6, the minimum number is 3. So we have 3 there. And likewise, we can do the same with max. Open bracket, D4 this time, and D7, close bracket, and enter. And out of D4 and D7, 7 is the max, so we have 7. And that'll be the only formulas I'll be showing you for now. Thank you all for watching, and please like and subscribe, and if you enjoyed this video, please share it to your friends. Thank you all for watching.